Upon receipt of your Badu Swimjet system, please check the cartons for damage. Open each carton and check the pumps, jet housings, and control box for concealed damage such as cracks, dents, or a bent base. If you do find damage, please contact the shipper or distributor where the Swimjet was purchased. Upon opening the box, you'll find your jet alignment tools. Please keep these as you'll need them in the future to align your jets for proper performance. Also, you'll find your control box with GFCI, as well as a package of air tubing and an air button, which in the BaduStream is used for your on-off switch. The BaduStream Package A includes 2 flush mount jet housings with anti-entrapment covers. You'll also find an air regulator and tubing to provide a Venturi effect, also your manual, and various hardware for assembly. We also include a cover which is necessary during installation of gunite type swimming pools.